Let's say we have two audio tracks and our goal is to utilize sidechain compression to create a volume ducking effect on one track whenever the other is playing. First, we select the track where the volume ducking will be applied and then press the E button. On the channel strip menu, we click on the compressor to activate it. Then, we press the compressor's E button. Once the compressor's editor is open, we press the Sidechain compressor button located in the top right corner to activate it. Once the icon is lit, we click again while holding the Alt key. A pop-up window will appear. By pressing the Add Sidechain Source button, we choose the first audio source that will trigger the second one to duck in volume. In our example, we will set the kick to force the bass to duck. For optimal results, set the release to Auto and the makeup gain to Manual. Adjust the compression ratio and threshold to your liking. Now, let's see this in action.